Alright, so today we're fixing, you can over here, we got a snowmobile here. This snowmobile had stalling issues, and I think the previous owner thought it was getting vapor locked. So what he did was he drilled a tiny little hole in the gas cap. I don't think that's the problem. They had other issues, so we fix those now. But it has a little hole in the gas cap, so when we're riding, you keep getting gas splashing out. So we're going to fix that hole at zero cost and show you how to do it yourself. Okay, so here's the offending gas cap. Let me zoom in a little so we can actually see this hole. It's just a tiny little hole. So right now I'm heating up my soldering iron. So what you do is you use your soldering iron for this, and basically you melt the plastic. You can see the hole on this side as well. You melt the plastic and you use the existing plastic to melt it. We've actually done this on a much bigger item, on a gas tank for a little mini rotor tiller, and we'll show you that after. Okay, so here's my soldering iron. You can use any soldering iron. I got a nice small tip on this. So take the soldering iron and all you do is just heat around. You can see it's melting the plastic nicely. Heat it around and then just start pushing the melted plastic to the middle of the hole. You want to get in the hole too. You want to heat up the plastic in the hole. This is probably almost good enough on this side, and it probably would do the trick. But what we're going to do, just take a look at the inside and do the same thing. So here's the inside. You can see some of the melted plastic I can see right here has already come through. So I'm just going to kind of smear that around a little. I'm leaving tiny little pieces of solder behind because this is actually a soldering iron, but it does the trick nicely. So I think that's good. That's all there's to it. Nice simple hack for fixing broken plastic. Okay, so here's a little mini rotor tiller we have. It's one of those tiny little Ryobi. It ran fine, but the gas tank had a crack in it, so we fixed that. Now, it had a fairly long crack. If we look over here, you can see right there. That's all melted, remelted plastic with a soldering iron. You can see it started right down here, the crack, and it went up over here, and it even ran a little bit down there. So we were able to fix it. Also had a little crack on this side. It had been dropped, obviously. But we tried it, we sealed it up, and because, you know, these gas tanks aren't really pressurized, you know, it probably wouldn't hold 100 psi, but it's going to hold just gas sloshing around in there. Well, if you like this video, please subscribe, click the notification button, and I hope to keep doing these videos if you guys like them. Thanks and have a great day.